Will Bitcoin continue to rise in price, or will it crash even further? What about Ethereum? What's going to be happening? Well, in today's video, we will find out. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alex and I help people learn, adopt, master and invest in cryptocurrencies and NFTs and profit from different trading moves, NFTs, launches and so on. Now in this video we will be doing a quick technical analysis of the most important trading pairs, which is Bitcoin USDT and Ethereum USDT, and see what the price is doing, where is it going, and is there any potential trade opportunities for us to get into right now. So with that being said, let's take a look at Bitcoin USDT chart. And right now we're looking at 1 hour chart, and as you might see, the price is kind of ranging in between 18,860 area and the resistance area of 19,260-70-ish. Price did climb all the way up to this area and got rejected today, went all the way down, but then bounced back very quickly and now is trading in a range. So ideally this looks very bearish, but we do need to have some sort of bearish signal coming up in order to have a good trading entry, because right now the price can go up, it can go down, or it can go in fucking circles. Nobody knows. So what we need to do is we need to have a pattern like this, for example a hammer or something like that, that could indicate a potential good trading entry for our trade somewhere around this resistance area right here. Now if you don't have that, for me personally, I would just refrain from trading and wait for a better opportunity to enter into a trade later on once we have confirmation. So for now, just close your positions and wait for potential bounce back to this area and the rejection, which could create a very good shorting opportunity targeting this 18,500-600-ish support area that we have right on the chart. Now with that being said, just keep your eyes closed. If you're in a short position, you might wanna adjust your stop loss to put it at break even depending on where you entered, or maybe even take some profits, because it could definitely go up and maybe get a rejection here or even here, even if it's a bullish, if it's a bearish sign. So you have to look out for that, and the potential for this is pretty high actually, because we are trading above and around this 50-hour moving average, which can indicate a potential move upwards. Since we are still in a bear market, it's more likely to have a bearish trade coming up, so I would suggest not buying anything right now and just wait for a potential shorting opportunity to come up on Bitcoin USD. Now quickly let's take a look at 1-day chart, and as you see on a daily chart, there's not much going on, so no signals, no big support resistance areas. So for that reason we are looking at the charts right now on the hourly, because this can give us better short-term opportunities. But of course make sure to trade them and look at the charts more often. For example, this one was a good trade to get into, but it got rejected. So ideally you would have by now have this break-even trade, and maybe you have adjusted your stop loss so you're out of your position but you did not lose, and maybe you took some profits, which is always great. So with that being said, let's take a look at Ethereum. And Ethereum did got rejected from this resistance area that we indicated in yesterday's video. However, it is still trading at the same range, and most likely it will need to have Bitcoin to go down, so Ethereum will get enough downward force as well. So again, it's very likely that Ethereum will follow Bitcoin, and if we see some bearish movement on Bitcoin charts, Ethereum is very likely to follow the suit as well, and so we are targeting 1,270. So you have to look at both charts to see if there are any great trading opportunities for Ethereum specifically, which could be, because this looks very bearish, but we do need to get that confirmation, because with that confirmation the trade can be pretty bad actually, because obviously we are in this range, and so we have to have a very high stop loss, and risk reward ratio is just not there. So we have to wait for that confirmation and only then trade it. So for now, you should have an open chart and look at the charts more often, because potential trade opportunities could come up actually in even the next couple of hours, and even sooner. So stay alert. Make sure to follow us on Crypto Money Mastery Group. Link is in the description of this video, so you'll get a better and faster notifications when to enter, what are potential patterns, and what are the best price, stop loss, take profit for you to get into. So if you want all of that information, make sure to join our group. And with that being said, that's the end for today's video. Thanks for listening in. Make sure to follow me on social media. Make sure to join our free Telegram group. And with that being said, talk to you tomorrow.